Hey everyone, this is Victor, and today I'm going to share with you how to build an awesome sales funnel for your yoga studio. Now, what's the difference between a website and a sales funnel? For one, websites are totally overrated. It's pretty much a brochure. Sales funnel is selling more intelligently, more organically, bringing in more clients. We are the Yoga Marketing Institute, and we help businesses like yours grow in profits without getting overwhelmed. Unfortunately, conventional sales like the Wolf of Wall Street ask the customer for hard closes right at the beginning, kind of like asking a girl for marriage on the first date. I mean, I don't know you, I haven't heard of you, and you want me to buy from you immediately? And things are changing in 2020. Customers expect more. I don't want to call them spoiled, but customers are spoiled and they expect more. Maybe do the boyfriend and girlfriend stage before marriage. The sales funnel is a way of taking your potential clients and bringing their surface level interaction with yoga deeper. Now, how do we create a sales funnel? You can have as many layers to your sales funnel as you want to, but remember to keep it simple. Overall, the sales funnel has 4 key steps. We've got the lead magnet or freebie, then the tripwire, then the core service offer, and finally the profit maximizer. From online content to actually going to the class, from going to the class to workshops, from the workshop to the retreats. And it's just really taking the practice further and allowing them to grow. Before getting into the steps of our sales funnel, we need to understand who our target audience is. Is it beginners? Is it yoga teachers? Is it women over 50? Who are we creating this sales funnel for? The reason why it's important to know this is so that we can start to customize a unique experience for them. Now, in the first step of the lead magnet or freebie, you want to offer them things like ebooks, guides, videos, giveaways, contests, all of this in exchange for the contact information. In this case, more than like the email address. Now that you've got her in your email list, we can go on to the next step of the funnel. The next step is a tripwire, which is the initial offer, an offer so good that she cannot refuse. This is exciting. I hope you're ready for this. This is the first day with you. This is something like, hey, join our yoga studio for $1 a day, $30 a month. Now, of course, at this stage, you're not really looking to make a huge amount of profit. You're looking to get the date. You're looking to develop a relationship. Now that she's bought something from you, she trusts you more. She's giving you her credit card information, and more than that, she's come into the studio and gotten to know your staff, the teachers. She knows where everything is. She's developed a better relationship with you already. And you are in a better position than ever before to offer her the core service now, the marriage, the monthly membership. In order to really bring her to this core service level offer, it's important to treat her well at the tripwire stage. When she comes in, you really want to welcome her. You want to take care of everything. It's a place where she might have come to just release some stress, and you want her to feel welcome. Of course, you can make the core service offer anything that you like. I've used memberships as an example, but you can make it workshops or whatever resonates with you the most. And finally, the profit maximizer. This is the part of the sales funnel that even though a small percentage of your audience will likely purchase it because only a small percentage can afford it, for a lot of yoga studios that I've worked with, it's been their greatest revenue stream. An example of a profit maximizer is, let's say, a $5,000 retreat in Costa Rica, in Bali, or other tropical places that they may really enjoy. And they're happy to pay you. Remember, these are the clientele that are taking time off their lives and they only want the best experiences. Under the beach, under the sun, only the most deep experiences. That's a beautiful experience, and it doesn't require any Wolf of Wall Street type hard closing. I mean, that would be a bit weird for yoga, wouldn't you say? Now, those are the 4 steps of a really good, effective sales funnel. You can add more steps as it relates to you. I mean, I'm not sure what your particular situation is, but for the majority of yoga studio, this is all you'll need. And of course, having high conversions from your sales funnel requires the ingredients. Where is your traffic coming from? What are you going to use to bring relevant traffic? Are you going to use Facebook ads? Are you going to use YouTube ads, Instagram ads? What are you going to use to bring in the ingredients for your sales funnel to really bake a beautiful cake with it? And there you have it. Now you have your first sales funnel. Now you can go out there make clients, and make the growth for your yoga studio happen. If you need help building your sales funnel or building your digital marketing strategy, feel free to reach out to me by clicking the link below, instituteofyogamarketing.com. And don't forget to subscribe so you can get more of the awesome yoga marketing tips and strategies. And remember to hit that bell button so you get notified every time I launch a video.